Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Steam account on mobile. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now to create your Steam account, just select don't have a Steam account. Now just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, from here just confirm your email address. Now from here just select your country, just like that. From here just select I'm a human and select I am 13 years of age or older and I agree to the terms and conditions of Steam. Then tap on continue. Now you'll get an email on the Gmail account which you have entered. Now as you can see, we have received the email. Just open the email and from here tap on verify my email address. Now just tap on this link. Now as you can see, email verified. Now just return to the previous window. Now as you can see, it is asking you to create your account. Now just tap on Steam account name and give a name to your Steam account. And from here, just create a password for your Steam account. Now from here, just confirm your Steam account password. Now once you do that, just tap on done. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Steam app. Now from here, just enter the Steam account name which we have created. Now once you enter your Steam account name, in the password section, just enter the password of your Steam account. Now once you enter your Steam account name and password, now a verification code will be sent on your email. Now as you can see, we have received the email. Now as you can see, this is our verification code. Now just enter the verification code right here. Now just give this app this permission. Now as you can see, this is how you can create Steam account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.